was in red sky in the morning, so hopefully that myth is not true. Hope you enjoyed the last video, guys. Thanks for watching and all the comments. We could have a day like that again today, and that'll be nice. So come along and join us. Another day of halibut in 2026. Got our eye flyer clipped in. Buoys tied on. Anchors ready. 250 fathom buoy line. We're soon getting ready to drop off, but there's a few boats around this morning. And when you're out in this dip of water, you don't want to be tangled up with one another. So much strain on the gear and stuff. We're gonna try to pick our spot. You ain't got that 360 on the anchor, have you? Bryce it in there on his second string, or he set on off? This tub air tipped on his side, so we're prepared for a bunch of snarls. There we go. That float. Oh, we could have prevented that. That float. And there's fresh bait on this tub too. You can see it up. What a state! What a state! That top right activated. Yeah. Just started dog. Got dog flyer and buoy in. Bottom. Is that Corwin?
Go to the bottom. It was in the bottom when it's supposed to.
Yeah, it was one of them. Mud on anchor, look.
Mud on there? Yeah.
try the new gas.
Broken it too. Right now, on it. The gas in on it. No, Dad, make it more bolts. All I need to do is put your gas into one. Right now. On your gas. You try to have a good day, Dad.
There, watch it. There. Hey guys, I just want to give you a heads up here. Bluetti's early Prime Day sale starting soon on Amazon. So you go on to Amazon and check out the Bluetti product. They have so many products. And as you see here in the video, I got the Bluetti Elite 100 V2. It's a great machine. I've used it out on the water for charging up my cameras and stuff and using some tools aboard the boat. So guys, go on to Amazon and check out for the great deals. So I have the codes and the links in the description on this video. So go check out this great product. Now let's get back to the fishing.
New gas we got there, bro.
Yeah.
Break this one out.
Oh, look big. Nice fish though. Perfect, good size. First tub on our second string. Corwin with the new improved jig. New improved jig. All right. Nope, don't tear so there. Shift in a little bit.
Look at that, Corwin, huh? Hey, look at that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, I'll get old, I'll get this.
No more. there's so much rain. Lots of big ones.
Give that gap on the floor, Dad. I'll stand by yours. Show you right about you. Show this one right about you. Green soda blue up. Dad. Show you right about you, huh? Green soda blue up. They said, Ron, yeah, what? Bigger. Get it away. Right, shut up. Careful.
Put that particular, set up in the forest.
Man. Oh, that's a big fish.
Wait.
Big fish. That weight will go around my fucking hand, eh?
Yeah.
See it there? Boy. Okay, yo. Tuesday. Put it down.
What's the next one?
Yeah. And all in myself. Buckshot, eh? Buckshot.
Okay, where's that? Yeah, I know. Where's that line gaff to? Yeah, I was gonna come back here.
Right now? Yeah. You're chatting now.
You got, here, here's a knife.
You're part now, boy. Come on. Put it here.
Here's a knife, Corwin. Boys.
Who's that?
Hey, come on. Hey, what now? Yeah. Lasso. Second lasso. What do you think? 165 pound? Oh, he's bigger than one we had the other day, oh man. Well, that concludes today. 14 tubs. Got the box full. So many on deck.
30 fish in the box, we're there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he's not full.
No, he's not full, no.
30 fish in there, though.
30 fish.
900 pounder in there.
900? I was thinking 1,000.
Oh, there's 900 in there.
Yeah.
More than
That's what I say, there's 900.
Yeah.
So, that drain far from time to time there.
No. There you go. We got that one there. That's a biggie.
That's how you did it.
So there you have it, offloaded. Good morning, we're back at the stage this morning. I'm gonna clean up our heads. Cut the cheeks out of them. Another mozzie all day in Port of Bass Harbor. Raining. Say we got about 6-7 degrees. It's been a terrible spring. So I'm going to start off this morning. I'm going to take the cheek out of this monster. That's from a 144 pound, as you've seen in the video. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. You'll see where we caught that 144 pounder. I usually just start and find my way around the bone. When I feel the bone, just follow. Just follow the bone with your knife. That's all you gotta do. Most of them you could just tear off with your fingers. Just put your hand in and feel. Hear it? Sometimes you gotta take the knife. Now look at that slab of meat. With the big ones, you wanna get rid of this piece here too. That's a bit it's almost like a tendon. You almost need to remove that too because it's pretty tough. We slice these up in strips and fry them. What a lunch. Let's get the other side. Again, just find the bone. That. I say you got a couple pound halibut cheeks right there.
It's something no one can take from me. It's a song